Have you ever wondered if our bodies hold the secret to their own healing? What if we could repair damaged tissues and organs from the inside out, rebuilding not just cells, but hope itself? Today, we're diving deep into the revolutionary world of stem cell therapy, a field that's changing the face of medicine as we know it. So, what exactly are stem cells? Think of them as the body's master builders. They are unique, undifferentiated cells with two incredible abilities. First, they can divide and replicate themselves over and over again. Second, and this is the magic part, they can transform into specialized cells, like heart cells, brain cells, bone cells, or skin cells. They are the blank slates from which every part of our body is built. There are several types of stem cells. You've probably heard of embryonic stem cells, which come from embryos and have the potential to become any type of cell in the body. They are incredibly powerful for research. Then we have adult stem cells, which are found in various tissues throughout our bodies, like bone marrow, fat, and even our skin. These cells are more specialized, typically replenishing and repairing the tissues where they're found. And finally, there are induced pluripotent stem cells, or iPSCs. These are a Nobel Prize-winning discovery where scientists can take a regular adult cell, like a skin cell, and reprogram it back into a stem cell-like state. This breakthrough allows us to create personalized stem cells without the ethical concerns tied to embryonic ones. This incredible versatility is what makes stem cell therapy so promising. The fundamental idea is to use these master cells to repair or replace cells that have been damaged by disease, injury, or simply the aging process. Imagine a patient who has had a heart attack. The event damages heart muscle, leaving scar tissue that can't pump blood effectively. With stem cell therapy, doctors can introduce healthy stem cells into the damaged area. These new cells can then transform into new, healthy heart muscle cells, integrating with the existing tissue and restoring function. It's like sending in a highly skilled construction crew to rebuild a damaged building brick by brick. The applications are truly mind-boggling and stretch across nearly every field of medicine. Let's talk about neurodegenerative diseases like Parkinson's or ALS. These conditions involve the progressive loss of specific types of nerve cells. Researchers are exploring how stem cells could be guided to become these exact nerve cells, replacing the ones that have been lost and potentially slowing or even reversing the progression of the disease. Early-stage clinical trials are already showing encouraging results, offering a beacon of hope for patients and families who previously had few options. It's not just about the brain. For people with type 1 diabetes, their immune system mistakenly destroys the insulin-producing cells in the pancreas. Stem cell therapy aims to create brand new, functional insulin-producing cells that can be transplanted into the patient, potentially freeing them from a lifetime of insulin injections and blood sugar monitoring. This would be a monumental leap from just managing the disease to actually providing a functional cure. Orthopedics is another area where stem cell therapy is already making a huge impact. Athletes and everyday people with joint pain from arthritis or injuries are turning to this treatment. When cartilage in a joint wears away, it doesn't grow back, leading to pain and stiffness. By injecting a patient's own adult stem cells, often taken from their bone marrow or fat, directly into the affected joint, doctors can stimulate the body's natural healing processes. These cells can help reduce inflammation and potentially even encourage the growth of new cartilage tissue, providing pain relief and improved mobility without major surgery. And what about healing from severe injuries, like spinal cord damage or major burns? For spinal cord injuries, the goal is to use stem cells to regenerate damaged nerve fibers, creating a bridge across the injury site to restore communication between the brain and the body. For burn victims, scientists are developing ways to use stem cells to grow new skin in the lab, which can then be grafted onto the patient. This lab-grown skin can be a perfect match, reducing the risk of rejection and the need for painful skin grafts from other parts of the body. Of course, with any groundbreaking technology, it's crucial to be realistic. Stem cell therapy is not a miracle cure-all, and the field is still evolving. While some treatments, particularly in orthopedics, are becoming more common, many others are still in the experimental and clinical trial phase. It's incredibly important for patients to be cautious and seek treatment only from reputable medical institutions. There are clinics out there making unproven claims, so always do your research and consult with qualified doctors. The scientific community is working tirelessly to ensure that these therapies are not only effective but also safe in the long term. Looking to the future, the potential is almost limitless. Imagine a world where we can grow entire organs for transplantation, perfectly matched to the recipient, eliminating organ transplant waiting lists and the risk of rejection. Picture treating blindness by regenerating retinal cells, or reversing the effects of a stroke by repairing brain tissue. This isn't science fiction. It's the future that thousands of dedicated scientists and doctors are working towards every single day. Stem cell therapy represents a fundamental shift in medicine, from managing symptoms to truly regenerating and healing the body from within. It's about harnessing our own biological power to rebuild, restore, and renew. The journey of stem cell therapy is a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of a healthier future. It's a field built on hope, and as research continues to accelerate, that hope grows stronger every day for millions of people around the world. Thank you so much for joining me on this incredible journey into the world of stem cell therapy. If you found this fascinating and want to learn more about the future of science and medicine, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. We'd love to have you as part of our community. Until next time, stay curious